Communication is the key to any business relationship. Whether you work as an independent freelancer or as an agency, you will definitely communicate with the client before closing deals, while working on their project and afterwards. So in this video, I will share with you some tips that will be helpful during communication with prospects. The main rule of communication you need to understand is that you work with the same person who has their own emotions, deals and problems. If you make your collaboration appear less bothersome among the other tasks, you will get a loyal client. Another insight to get is that the client is right while you don't convince him of the opposite. People often don't know how to do some things better, so they look for experts, so they look for you. If you see that something is doing wrong, try to explain how it should be and why. You both are interested in getting a comprehensive result. A good specialist is not about doing something blindly, but about bringing benefits to the business. Always be polite and respectful. Don't forget to thank and apologize if something happens. This is a key to good human communication. At the start of your dialogue, this is also a recommendation to ask for a preferred channel for future communication. It shows your openness to client comfort. I also recommend that you not hesitate to follow up with the people if there is no answer. 2 to 3 follow-ups will be enough because there is an Upwork anti-spam policy. Before closing deals, conduct regular communication with the client and do not leave him alone. Ask questions to better understand the work, answer theirs, and don't hesitate to clarify some messages. What do they think so? What does it mean? Why do they ask this question? What stops them from collaborating? Every person may have some objections about you or freelancers in general. Your task is to find them and get them out. Pay attention to their time zone and do not write to them at night. Once you are ready to move forward the offer, set clear expectations. Be straightforward about the next timelines and price. Clearly communicate your working hours, response times, and any potential delays well in advance. Setting clear expectations from the outset helps manage the client's expectations and avoids unnecessary misunderstandings. When you start working on a project, keep clients informed about the progress by providing regular updates. This can be in the form of written status reports, progress summaries, or scheduled check-in meetings. In the case of long-term projects, inform and agree on whether everything is okay when sending updates. Actively listen to the client's feedback and respond thoroughly. If you encounter challenges or unforeseen issues during the project, communicate them promptly to the client. Transparency fosters trust, and clients appreciate freelancers who are honest about obstacles and work collaboratively to find solutions. My video is over, but in the end, I want you to remind you about possible cultural difference between you and your clients. Research the information on how to better communicate with people from your target country to avoid confusion. If you want to understand cultural differences more, I recommend reading the Culture Map book by Erin Meyer. It helps you see directions that may vary from your own culture. See you at the next lesson.